Hello and welcome back to the workshop for another Friday show and tell. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a home organizational tip, keeping all of the manuals and information about the house in one place. We did this for the previous house. It was really nice having all that information in one place that we could really show with the house. So let's talk about some of the sections in this. Now, keeping manuals and appliance books in one location in a 3-ring binder is nothing new, but talk about a couple of things that I've done extra on this. I've made sections for every room of the house, just on a piece of cardstock. The big part about the sections is being able to stick on these paint chips, the sample cards that you get. You can keep track of what colors are in the house and what colors you've used in what rooms. Also, keeping a list of dates and models of items that you've installed, like the smoke detector. I know that I've replaced it in 2019 and here's the model that I used. Easy way to figure that out without having to take the smoke detector back off the wall to figure out what dates listed on it or what models in it. Also like to keep track of bulbs, right? If we replace a bulb, I will stick that information about what bulb went in to that room. Nice way to find out what bulb to replace if another one goes out. We can print out the information from the websites as to what we purchased and what we put in. I also like to keep track of when I replaced a bulb, especially LED bulbs. Getting bulbs that match or figuring out what you put in, a lot harder with LED bulbs than it was with incandescents. Incandescents, you would usually just match the wattage and you're good to go. LEDs, you have to look at the color temperature. So just putting in a cutout of what was used in that room makes it a really easy way to identify what's there. The instruction books, the manuals, can either punch 3-ring binder holes in them or stick it into a 3-ring binder pocket, just a way to keep it together. The kitchen will probably be the thickest part with the most information, right? It's the room that has the most manuals, but definitely easy way, keep track of manufacturer, model. If you ever need to go get a part, you ever need to go order a filter for like the water filter on the refrigerator. Easy way to tell what you have. Keeping track of the last time I replaced that water filter. If I'm replacing it every year, I can see I'm coming up on that here within a month or two. Another item, knobs were replaced in the kitchen, right? Know now instantly what model knob. I don't have to take a knob off. If I need to replace something, I only need to take it off to go back to the store and just try to match it and know exactly what was ordered. I can search the model number if I'm trying to find an exact replacement. As I said, all the manuals for the kitchen are probably going to be the thickest. You know, it's about an inch of binder for probably every 500 square feet of house. So for 1,500 square foot, you're looking about a 3-inch binder to store that information in. And we just flip through it, right? Good way to keep all the information in one place if you ever need to go back and look. Even some fabric samples. I've even stapled into one of the sheets, whether it was curtains or any information about the house. Just one nice location to keep that information to make our lives easier so we don't have to go back and try to figure out again what we might have done in a room or what color we might have used, all in one place. So thanks for joining me today. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed and you want to see more of the content, please subscribe. Comments down below are welcomed, and I'll see you again another day.